Hello, this is 2014 Toyota Avalon. I'm gonna just change the brake pad on the rear side. There's a front and there is a rear. I just removed the tire here and used the emergency, the wrench to break the nut and remove the tire first. And you can see here, it's a brake pad. And on the back side, on the top, there is a bolt here. And there is one on the bottom there, but many people are showing they can just remove the bottom bolt. They can just lift the caliper, easily change the brake pad. So I tried it that way and make sure that works on us. I can show you later. Go through this and just make sure, just keep this on this side, so it's gonna lose the whole bolt when you turn this. I just removed the bolt from the bottom here, and let's see how it works. Okay, I can easily remove the brake pad here and put a new one. And just make sure you have to push this piece all the way down. So if you don't do that, you cannot put this caliper back. Brake pad I just removed from here, and I'm gonna just clean up this side. If everything is good, you can just put the new brake pad here. And I'm gonna show you how you're gonna push the piston all the way back. And I'll use this and put the old one and push it. I use this tool to push the piston all the way back and put the brake pad here, and I can just turn this. You see, slowly you can see that it's gonna push all the piston back. So looks like it works. So you see the piston here is all the way back.